Hi, Frank Turlip here, and in this short video, I want to share with you my thoughts on why I think repairers must charge for and get reimbursed for post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. Now, over the past year, I've talked to hundreds, if not thousands of repairers, and a vast majority of them state they don't properly perform or document test drives because they don't get reimbursed for them. In my opinion, that's a poor excuse, but that's what they say. In one of Mike Anderson's Who Pays for What surveys, 26%, only 26%, state they were getting reimbursed for test drives. And when it comes to labor times and operations, all three information providers state post-repair, post-calibration test drives are not included operations. But when it comes to requiring post-repair, post-calibration test drives, ICAR is really clear, specifically in their post-repair ADAS testing class. Throughout that class, ICAR states that post-repair, post-calibration testing of an adaptive cruise control system requires a test drive. So does a blind spot detection system, a lane departure warning system, a lane keep assist system, a cross traffic alert system, a collision warning system, a park assist system, and other ADAS systems. ICAR has even created a post-repair test drive checklist that you can see on my left. ICAR even states that whenever possible, use a video recording device to record a test drive and system function test. Now, with ICAR's position on post-repair, post-calibration test drives, I'm shocked at the number of ICAR Gold Class shops that do not properly perform or document post-repair, post-calibration test drives. And I'm also shocked at the number of insurers that still do not reimburse repairers for post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. But in my opinion, I think the test drive and test drive reimbursement conversation going on today, it's all based on historical test drive procedures that were performed BA, before ADAS. Now, I think we can all agree ADAS-equipped vehicle diagnostic, repair, and testing procedures are much different than those performed on non-ADAS-equipped vehicles. And ADAS test drives must be treated differently than non-ADAS test drives. So with that said, here are my 5 reasons why I believe repairers should charge for, as well as get reimbursed for post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. Number 1, post-repair, post-calibration ADAS system testing requires a vehicle get to specific speeds over a specific period of time, over a specific mileage requirement, as well as visual, audible, and vehicle response validations throughout the test drive. Number 2, post-repair, post-calibration test drives, also known as dynamic system verifications, can take an hour or longer to complete. Number 3, from a safety and liability perspective, ADAS systems must operate as designed prior to that vehicle being delivered to the customer. The only way to accomplish this is through a properly performed and documented test drive. Number 4, ADAS test drives are OEM required procedures that need to be performed to validate a safe and proper repair. And last but not least, number 5, ICAR. ICAR requires post-repair, post-calibration test drives on virtually all ADAS systems. And again, it's black and white in their ADAS post-repair test and training. Look, if your business is not properly performing and documenting post-repair calibration test drives on ADAS vehicles, you really need to visit our website at www.testdrivecopilot.com. When you get there, you will find the world's best patent pending system that will help your company properly perform, properly manage, properly document, and get reimbursed for post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. Visit our website, www.testdrivecopilot.com. And whatever you do, implement a formal test drive process that allows you to document and manage and report on your ADAS test drives on ADAS equipped vehicles.